A day in my life as an ICT student nga OA. So for today's video, we're having naglimpyo mis amo ang garden kay our school is a farm school na. So maglimpyo mis mga garden and mananumi og utan na og sugod. And yes, dira naglimpyo mi among gilimpyuan ang among garden. And then after that, nasad mi preparation for our program tomorrow ay buwa ng wika. And we're preparing all para ready na para to. And that's all. Thank you.